Hello everyone. So in this video I am going to show you that how you can automate your smart contract function easily using Chainlink. Let's get started. First you need to search in your Google Chrome Chainlink automation and then hit enter. Now you need to just scroll down a bit and you need to click on this link automation/chainlink. Okay. Now first you need to connect your wallet. I have already connected my wallet, and after that you need to click on this button register new upkeep. Click on it. Now here are three options are provided. In this tutorial we are going to choose this first option, time based. Choose this option and click on this next button. Now you need to paste the smart contract address in which the function you want to automate. I am already copied my smart contract address, and now I need to just click on this next button. Okay, great. So now it is asking me to which function from my smart contract I want to automate. So let me just choose my function. This function I want to automate, withdraw USDC from my smart contract. After you choose your function, now you need to click on this next button. Okay, now it is asking me at what time interval you want to automate the function. Like the automation should run every 15 minutes or every hour or first day of every month, so on. So for this tutorial I am going to select this first of every month. Okay, now it is showing all the 5 schedules you can see. Okay, now I need to click on this next button. Okay, now you need to give your upkeep name. Let me just give, let's say today Oc- October automation. Okay, and now you just scroll down and add this 0.1 balance. Okay, so I don't have any balance in my uh, wallet, so I need to get the wallet miss balance. Okay, so just click on the largest animal. Okay, okay, just wait for some couple of seconds. Let me get the link token. We need to wait for some couple of seconds. Okay, it has been completed. Just close it and check now. Here you can see the error has been gone. Now you just scroll down and some inputs fields are provided, but it is optional. Keep it as it is and just click on this register upkeep. Now you have to pay some gas fees. Okay, just confirm the transaction. Wait for some couple of seconds. One more transaction will come. Here you go. We need to just confirm this transaction too. Confirm it. Great. Now just close this tab and go to the home section, and here it will show when the transaction gets completed. Just wait for some couple of seconds. Let the automation uh, tab comes in. Just wait for some couple of seconds. Here you can see the today's automation which we have created just now. It has been came. Here we have added the 0.1 link token as well as the status is active. That means that our automation is running. Cool. So now you can automate your smart contract function using all the steps which I have shown in this tutorial. All the best.